IRS Form 1120S is the U.S. income tax return for an S corporation. An S corporation files it each year to report its income, deductions, gains, and losses. Like a partnership, an S corporation generally does not pay income tax itself. Instead, the items pass through to the shareholders, who report their shares on their own returns using Schedule K-1. A corporation files this return after electing S status with Form 2553. Domestic corporations that have made a valid S election use it. Begin with the corporation's identifying information at the top. Enter the corporation's name, for example, Anna Baker Designs, Inc., the mailing address, such as 123 Main Street, Austin, and the employer identification number, like 12-345-6789. Provide the date the S election became effective, the business activity, and the date the corporation was incorporated. Getting this header right ensures the IRS matches the return to the correct corporation and to the shareholders who report the pass-through income. The return then reports income, deductions, and the resulting figures, along with the corporation's total assets, for example, $250,000, which comes from the balance sheet. The corporation completes the income and deduction lines, attaches the required schedules, and prepares a Schedule K-1 for each shareholder, showing their share of the results. Accurate totals matter because the shareholders rely on the K-1 figures to complete their personal returns. After completing the income, deductions, and schedules, an officer signs and dates the return. The corporation issues each shareholder a Schedule K-1, and the return is filed with the IRS by the due date. Keep thorough records and copies of everything filed. Because S corporation rules can be detailed, many corporations rely on a tax professional. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.